Here's the ingredients to make that delicious sausage soup with tortellini. You'll need 2 cartons, 32 ounces each of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 14.5-ounce can of fire-roasted tomatoes, 1 package of refrigerated cheese tortellini, 1 pound of bulk Italian sausage, 3 cups of fresh spinach, and some chopped onion. I chose to brown the sausage with some chopped onion in a stock pot first. This differed from the original recipe. I turned the heat up and added the chicken broth. Now I added the diced tomatoes. And by now it's starting to come to a boil. I added the cheese tortellini and some Italian seasoning. And brought that whole mixture to a boil. When it came to a boil, I set the timer for 8 minutes. When the 8 minutes were up, I shut the burner off and added my 3 cups of spinach. Within a minute or so, the spinach had cooked down. Now I was ready to enjoy the soup.